It was a busy offseason, but the 2017-18 season is here. Time to catch up. Here are 5 things about the upcoming NHL season. They say coaches are hired to be fired. Take a look behind the bench this season. 11 teams have different coaches than they did on opening day last year, and 6 of those changes were made over the summer. A few rule changes to keep your eye on. First, unsuccessful offside challenges now result in a penalty, which should cut down on the number of challenges you see this year. Next, no more timeouts after icing, so those players stuck on the ice don't get a breather. And finally, this is actually already a rule, but it will be enforced. Refs are going to be cracking down on face-off infractions. 2 infractions on the same face-off gets you a penalty. There are now 31 teams in the NHL as the league decided to double down on Las Vegas. The Vegas Golden Knights will play in the Pacific Division, have Gerard Gallant as their first head coach, and George McPhee calling the shots as the GM. The Pittsburgh Penguins will raise a Stanley Cup banner for the 2nd straight year, but can they pull off a three-peat? If they can, they will be the first team to do so since the Islanders won 4 straight from 1980 to 1983. Okay, this is on the list because it just looks so weird. After 19 seasons and 1,493 games as a San Jose Shark, Patrick Marleau will play this season with the Toronto Maple Leafs.